Come on. Hindi nga. Ayun nga, no? Hindi ako makapaniwala na papasok kami dito sa parang pinakasosyal na restaurant along the shore. Kaya di ko din matago yung tuwa at kilig ko habang naglalakad kami papuntang table namin. Totoo nga, ang balita nandito pala eh. Akala ko naman malayo.
Well, come on in and make yourself at home, you two.
Thank you, thanks man.
Whose birthday are we celebrating?
It's mine.
Happy birthday, mate.
Uy, thank you. Pakas mo na. Mwah.
Surely you get one part. That is a good one.
Ang hirap talaga pumili ng food pag A, masarap lahat ng options at B, kung libre. Kaya it took a while bago ako nakapag-decide kung anong dinner namin. Buti na lang may complimentary bread and butter. At eto na nga, first up, itong grilled crocodile meat and scallops muna. Yay! Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know about you, pero ang sayang experience pa lang may mag-pour over ng wine sa glass mo. Very nice. Thank you.
Can we throw it maybe just half? Just without tray.
At eto pa, ganito pala yun. Sarap. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, thanks sir. Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for your help. Finally, na-serve na yung mains namin. Umorder kami ng Wagyu beef ragu. Syempre, hindi mawawala yung dry-aged grain-fed steak at dalawang sides na broccoli at sauteed spinach. Kumuha din kami ng isang bote ng Shiraz for a complete dining experience. At dahil birthday ko, preference ko ang lahat na sunod tonight. Grabe, overwhelming ang sarap. Yung akala ko tapos na yung surprise, meron pa pala. May complimentary birthday cake pa from Seafire. Sayang lang hindi namin na-capture yung moment habang sinaserve yung plate. Of course, picture. And just to give you a summary on our first day in Adelaide, we arrived at around 8 a.m., early checked in sa hotel at around 1 p.m., wandered around the city CBD until 3 p.m., arrived at Glenelg Beach at 4 p.m., dined in at 5:30, and went back to hotel at around 8 p.m. Tiring but very fulfilling.